What's going on, everybody? I apologize for the video. It's basically an after I got done with everything, because I forgot my GoPro at home. But it's starting to dry up. So basically this is the back of the church. Had a chance to do it, get it done, because it's been raining where I live, and then I got sick for like a whole week. That's already clean, but it's starting to dry up. Dry, wet. It's looking way better. And then on this side right here, it was really bad. I had to hit it multiple times. It's still wet. And I don't know if you can see that, but that's got a little bit of rust stains. It was really, really bad, so it's looking a lot better now. This side is done. So yeah, finally got it done. That's not dirty, it's just the way the concrete is. It's kind of hard to tell the difference with a bunch of rocks on the wall, but if you see it in person, it's way better compared to before. Once it dries completely, then everything's gonna look way better, just like this side right here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.